It was partly...
I forgot it was still on display.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and/or hazards in south-central Indiana and north-central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south-central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north-central Kentucky, Bullitt, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, Trimble. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. The current time...
Okay, there we go. So, you may have noticed, the quality is a bit sucky. Why? It's because I'm recording on this crappy Android phone. Because this phone's touchscreen messed up because of me dropping it here. Let me show you. Can't even hit the 1 key on my password. This middle part of the touchscreen doesn't respond correctly, and then as you can see, it's like, and then when you move this down, it won't move down. You know, all that stuff. I don't know when I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna get the touchscreen fixed, but hopefully it'll be soon when I send it into a repair shop and all that stuff. So yeah, that's why I had to record it on this crappy phone. But hopefully there'll only be like a few more videos with this phone, and then I'll be able to switch back to the iPhone. Alright, bye.